Hello everyone, this is RS Agrawal from Rankers classes. I am going to discuss the most demanded and most awaited commerce mentorship course. We are starting this course from 1st of August and concluding till your mains. Right? Let us see why this course is needed. You know, today there is cutthroat competition. There are few seats and so many applicants. In such a case, you need focused study that can be provided by mentor. Another is lot of information overload. So in you can see that many commerce books are available, lot of material is available online also. In such an environment, what is relevant, what is not relevant, that would be provided by the or guided by your mentor. Another is shortage of time. See, everyone is having 12 to 18 months time or maximum 2 years time duration. Definitely it is short for preparation of this tough examination. So in this case, mentor can help you save your time and keep your preparation focused. Another is commerce background. So see, commerce is a subject that can be taken by commerce background candidates only. Since it is your background, so you can afford mentorship course because details may not be required. Let us see target of this course. See, achieving 260, 270 is a tough target. Here we are having a tougher target for commerce, that is 300 plus. How it will be achieved? Definitely it will require a joint effort of the candidate and mentor. Candidate need to have focus and dedication. And mentor should provide regular mentoring, even live mentoring. Both will help capacity building. Capacity building signifies your hold over concepts, your hold over facts, and you are having a good writing ability. That capacity at 3 levels will help achieve this score. Now point arises who need this course. So any commerce background candidate can go for this course. If commerce candidate is preparing by own self or doing self-study, you can go for this course. Another is if you are attending GS classes, then also you can go for this course because attending GS classes means shortage of time. Having shortage of time, come to this course. We won't take much time, 2 hours a week, maximum 3 hours a week, and you will be focused. And another, if someone has already taken commerce coaching from us or any other institute, particularly 2 to 3 years back, you might have lost your track. In that case, if you are searching for motivation, searching for focus and guidance, again, come to this course. Within 6 months, your option will be prepared well. Thereafter, tests also, thereafter, overall preparation would be better. And professionals like CA, CS, ICWH, right, or CMAs who have done paper 1 well can also go for this course. If MBAs who have done paper 2 well can also go for this course. Right? Let us see how Rankers classes will help you in this course. We will provide you overall mentoring of commerce as a whole and subject-wise mentoring. You know, there are 10 subjects. So there is unique demand of every subject. We will provide 5-6 mentoring sessions on commerce. And thereafter there would be chapter-wise mentorship sessions. That is the main part of this course. There would be at least 24 chapter-wise mentoring sessions. Every week there would be one mentoring session of around 2 hours, and we will be having a target of covering 2 chapters. So you will be given a target of 2 chapters, right? And besides that, we'll be having Google Meet on weekly basis to cover your doubts, queries, any motivational problems or any hurdles that would be removed by your mentor, right? And an important part of this course is year-long test series. We'll conduct chapter-wise tests every week, chapter-wise test. So in every week, we'll conduct a test of 2 chapters on every Monday and Friday, right? It will continue for 6 months. And not only this, we will conduct subject-wise test also. And finally, we'll conduct comprehensive test. There would be around 50 chapter-wise tests over 50 over 25 weeks. There would be 10 subject tests. And thereafter, there would be 4 comprehensive tests, right? Alongside this, we have already prepared PYQ solutions book that will be provided to you so that you have a good idea about how to write, what to write. And if you need study material, you can take study material also. Coming to how to proceed, you can join this course. The total fee for this course would be 38,000 with study material. If you are already having study material, so you'll save 4,000, that will be 34,000. Want to get detail of this course? You can get detail of this course from our website, rankersclasses.in, right? And for administrative or technical queries, you can contact Mr. Jivanand Jha. For academic queries, 2 persons are there, RS Agrawal, myself, and Raman Bansal. You can go for academic queries, right? Thank you.